have got a baby bass. We're gonna release him into the lake, so you wanna see it? Okay, go ahead. Bye, Timmy. Bye. Yeah, so we think we've caught another fish. Okay. We think we've got something. We don't know if we do or not, but we'll find out. Damn, how did I miss that? It's fine, it's a fail, but it's worth a try. It's okay, it's okay. I caught something, and I kind of caught a turtle, which I'm not happy about. And they're kind of annoying, so.
I know that I'm not a fish.
Okay.
Set it.
Sam think he got one.
Set it. Set it.
Okay.
Okay. Might be munched on it.
Nothing?
No. I think he's swimming towards me.
Awesome. Keep you updated about the turtle and where we put it. This is not another fail.
Something.
Yeah?
You can see he's pulling it out.
Yeah, yeah.
Like a gar. Okay, it's something little. I'm not going to go for this guy anymore. We got to go for something bigger. Alright.
Okay. It was a fail.
I have a big one on here.
Okay, Sam thinks he got one. If this dies on us, where? Okay, Sam thinks he's got one. Fish on! Fish on! It's a gar! It's a gar! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, we just got a gar. Caught a big gar. Well, not a big gar. I think it's like a baby gar or something.
Baby gar. Well, no, he's not. Damn. Not too small. I need the pliers for that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Cool. He's angry.
Yeah.
He's flopping everywhere.
No, I think maybe. No. Well, this gar. Sam just caught it. Nice.
Here we go. Another fish, y'all. Another gar. The GoPro died, but we're doing it with the phone now. Say goodbye. Off he goes. Oh, he swam. Dude just caught a monster bass. I didn't even set the hook. He set it himself. That is amazing. That's a nice one too.
I'm gonna release it.
All right.